Mail delays continue in parts of York County nearly 2 weeks after the January 25th snowstorm. Some people say they've been left confused about where their mail is and how to get it. Fox 43's Natalie Crone spoke with residents who are still waiting and with the Postal Service to find out why.
York County residents say they're still dealing with mail delays almost 2 weeks after the snowstorm.
Why can't you give me my mail? I don't understand why someone is holding people's mail.
In Conewago Township, Willow Crone says her and her neighbor's biggest issue isn't just waiting, it's not knowing where the mail is or how to get it, even after calling.
I just don't know what to do at this point because after they thought they got it figured out, I was supposed to go pick up my mail yesterday. I went. And they basically, the first building I went to actually was an employee building that I couldn't even get into, the lady that I talked to. So then I went to the one on White Street in York, and they even said, they were like, we got another one.
Crone says she was told at first she could not pick up her mail. Later, she learned it could be placed on hold, but only after a waiting period.
I had to put a minimum hold of 3 days before I could come get my mail, which I have 3 important things in the mail that I need to get for my daughter's school and for me.
Other residents say they've experienced similar confusion.
This is ridiculous that one neighbor gets it 3 inches away from that neighbor's mailbox is my mailbox and I don't get mail.
Heidi Miller says she eventually drove to multiple post offices to track down her mail.
It's just there's no communication to the customers to let us know what we need to do or what needs fixed to change it so that we don't have issues.
The U.S. Postal Service says winter weather can cause disruptions, particularly when carriers can't safely access mailboxes due to snow and ice.
When I clear a path or one of my neighbors clears a path for Drew, we not only make it safe for the carrier, but we make it safe for our neighbors.
They say customers should clear snow and ice around mailboxes and consider signing up for informed delivery to track what mail is coming. While both Willow and Heidi say they have the app and had their mailboxes cleared, they're still left confused trying to track down important documents with little direction.
All that I want is my mail. I just want my mail. That's all I want.
Natalie Coranda, Fox 43 News.